How can AI benefit artists? I know we've been looking a lot lately at the dark side and fretting over how AI technologies can destroy our careers. But today I want us to stop living in fear. Let's look at the ways AI can help benefit us, artists, and help us with our careers and with flourishing. There are a couple of ways we will look at. Some of them are things you haven't thought of. You'll be surprised. Let's dive straight in. AI can help you in your art block. Now we're talking. Art blocks suck. It's when you have a creative obstacle. An artist's block is a period of time when an artist is unable to create. Mind is just blank, no ideas bursting from the soul. All creative people have creativity blocks. Writers have them, painters have them, musicians have them. It's because creativity isn't something you can simply do automatically. You need to squeeze creativity from your brain, and it doesn't always work. One cannot force creativity. Here's where AI can help. If you have an art block, and you're unable to come up with any new ideas, use AI. AI algorithms, especially those based on generative models, can create unique and compelling artworks. Artists can use these algorithms to generate new ideas, patterns, and new styles, providing inspiration or even creating entire pieces of art. As a creative person, you can generate an idea and then use it as a painting reference. That's another way AI can help you make your own unique references. Are you tired of using Pinterest references to paint portraits? Because then once you show it off to another artist, they say, oh, I know this one, I used this one before. And then they show you their amazing version of the reference. It's really annoying and it makes you feel like a ripoff. So the solution is to capture your own photo references. But this takes time. You need a camera, photography skills, and you need to go outside and find the right topic, and why not just ask AI to do it instead? You don't even have to leave your chair. Okay, I want a cartoonish, semi-realistic girl with straight hair wearing a kimono. That's what I want to practice sketching today and generate. Ta-da! I have my own unique, customized reference now. This aspect of using AI is very useful. You can make your own custom references easily. Hey, buy me a coffee or a matcha latte to support my channel and my work. Otherwise, I'd go broke and stop making videos for real. The link is in the description. Assisting in creativity. AI tools can be used as a creative assistant, helping artists brainstorm ideas, experiment with different styles, and exploring new concepts. You could even ask ChatGPT what painting idea could help you go viral on Instagram. AI tools can also analyze existing artworks and suggest complementary colors, compositions, or themes, fostering creativity. If you have any extra ideas and points, by the way, drop them in the comments section. AI can automate repetitive tasks. These boring tasks nobody wants to do, like editing photos, resizing, making digital assets, or editing videos. I'm like the last YouTuber left on earth right now, editing their own videos and not using AI to edit. Speaking of, if you like this style of my videos, please hit like and subscribe. Anyways, AI can automate time-consuming and repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus more on the creative and fun aspect of art. Why did Siri just turn music on? Siri, turn off the music, please. Thank you. Data-driven insights. AI can analyze data related to art trends, market demands, and audience preferences. This information can be very useful to you. It can help the artist make informed decisions about their work, such as choosing the subject matter, the style, and or even picking good pricing strategies based on market trends. AI-human collaborations. AI can help us facilitate collaboration between artists and AI, or artists and technology. By working together, artists and AI can create innovative projects that combine artistic creativity with cut-edge technology. AI can be a really powerful tool for artists. It can offer assistance in the creative process. AI can help with automating mundane tasks, and it can and will enable new forms of artistic expression. As technology continues to advance, the synergy between AI and artists is likely to open up even more exciting possibilities and horizons for artists and creative people. By the way, look at these neat stickers I made. My art is now available for purchase. I have illustrations, designs, and even whole paintings up for sale on my Redbubble art shop. You can find really unique merch on my shop. Check it out. The link is in the description. You're going to love it. All of it. Guaranteed. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!